Welcome to the iLearn tutorial for using Lessons. Lessons offers several advantages to both instructors and students. This tool allows for faculty to choose how they wish to deliver course content by allowing for course structure navigation and customization. Lessons allows you to customize pages, edit text, and integrate content such as resources, links, and multimedia. Lessons also allows you to link directly to various course activities such as assignments, quizzes, and forums. Here is an example of a completed lessons page. At the top of the page, there is a text introduction, followed by a Word document and YouTube video. Below the video, there are direct links to a quiz and forum topic. Now let's take a look at the various options for creating and building your lessons page. Before you begin, it is recommended that your content and resources, as well as assignments, quizzes, and forums, are created prior to creating lessons. This will make the process of building your page quicker and easier. Please note that you will be able to make changes or adjustments at any time. To begin adding content from the Lessons page, click Add Content. A menu will appear giving a variety of options. The first section will contain options for adding resources such as files and links. The middle section will allow you to add student assessment options. These include adding links to an assignment, test, quiz, forum, or topic to the Lessons page for easy access to activities. The bottom section will contain options for student engagement within the Lessons tool. These options include checklists, questions, or comments. To learn more about these tools and their functions, please contact the Office of Digital Education. To add text to your Lessons page, click Add Text. A rich text editor will appear, allowing you to enter text to be displayed on the page. You can use the text editor to customize the look and feel of this content. You can also embed content to the Lessons page. Embedding is ideal for adding images and videos directly to your Lessons page. Click on Embed Content. A menu will appear that will allow you to select a file from your computer or a URL, such as a YouTube video. You can also add content links, which allows instructors to link directly to files, documents, or external sites. Here you can set a title and select the files or URL to be displayed. Subpages are helpful to allow instructors to organize content on various pages, such as by week or topic. Click on Add Subpage. You can then name the new page. Once saved, you will be presented with a clean page to begin building content on the new subpage. You can also choose to link an assignment, test or quiz, or forum or topic to the Lessons page to allow easy access to activities. It is easier to link assignments that have already been created within your site. Please view our Advanced Lessons video for more features. If you would like to learn more about these tools and their functions, please contact the Office of Digital Education.